Two super common issues: the friend request icon is completely missing from your Facebook app, or you're not receiving or seeing any new friend requests at all. I'll show the most up-to-date fixes that work right now. From simple checks to full resets, most people get it back in 5 minutes. Let's troubleshoot. Step 1. Where did the icon go? Facebook often removes or hides the separate friend request icon and moves everything inside Friends or Notifications. Open the Facebook app, tap the three horizontal lines, look for Friends or Find Friends. Tap on it. Inside Find Friends, you should see Suggestions, Friend Requests, or People You May Know section. Sometimes see All or View Request button or whatever you want to check. Step 2. If you are not receiving requests at all, icon shows but no request or nothing at all. Go to Menu again, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Now find Audience and Visibility. After that, how people find and contact you, and check who can send you friend requests. Make sure it's everyone or friends of friends if you want fewer. Also check you are not temporarily restricted. Send too many friend requests equals to Facebook limits you for 1 to 7 days. No one is sending, then test by asking a friend to send you one. There you go, friend request should be visible or back now. If this fixed your issue, smash that like button and subscribe for more current Facebook fixes.